you say your name?
Einstein.
Can you tell everybody hi?
Hello.
Can you be more polite?
Sweetheart.
Very nice. Can you clear your throat? What does everybody say in Tennessee? Einstein, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Do you think you're famous?
Superstar.
Okay, we're gonna do all our animals. Can you do a cat?
Meow.
Einstein, can you call the dog? Call the dog.
Come here. Come here.
Good. Can you bark? Bark. Good. How about a bird? Can you do a bird? Can you do an owl? How about a rooster? Can you do a pig?
Quack, 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 quack.
Can you do a wolf? Chimpanzee? Can you do a penguin? Good. How about a skunk?
Stinker.
Good. Can you laugh? Is that funny? Let's scream! How about impressive?
Ooh.
Good. Are you excited? Get excited. Boring. Frustrated. Good. Are you beautiful? Good. Is that tasty? What if it's dusty? This is hard work. Is that a good meal? Let's go crazy! Good. Einstein, I have a problem. I have a problem.
What's the matter?
Can you whisper? Good. Do you need to save your home?
I'm special.
What would you do for a peanut? What are you?
Apple.
Did you hear a knock at the door? Let's do a car. Can you do a car? Good. How about water? Good. Can you toot? Einstein, it's gross. Fall down. Einstein, did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
What keeps you safe?
Apple.
How about a spaceship? Can you shoot the laser? That's because you're evil. Evil. Good. How about a pirate? How about Fiesta? Let's do a roller coaster. And she can do conversation. Do you agree?
Yeah.
And what do you think?
No.
You want something to drink?
Here.
How about happy birthday? Can you sing happy birthday? Again. Again. Big finish. Sing in the shower. Keep singing in the shower. I'm singing. Can you dance? Let's go. Come on, dance too. Can you work out? What do you say to nice people?
I love you.